Hollywood, 1927. Home of Grauman's Chinese Theater, the place for the movie theater and the stars. But something's amiss over at Warner Brothers, where they're playing with a dangerous concoction, mixing film with the recorded sound. How will this end up? Is it possible for our wonderful stars and actors to survive? To find out, go out and see Singin' in the Rain. There's comedy. Scandal. Singin'.
Good morning.
Good morning. Talk the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Dancing. And of course, rain. So come on down and see Singin' in the Rain, playing at the Pump House Theater from October 5th to October 20th. Don't miss it, it's a great show!